best smartwatch for Velentines Day. Gift this watch for your girlfriend to your Velentines Day, so you can buy this smartwatch. So watch the video at the end. Main features: heart rate monitor, real-time monitor your heart rate, and remind you of vibration if abnormal or arrhythmia with alert. Blood pressure monitor, manually or automatically test the user's blood pressure, but please keep your wrist and heart in the same height when testing blood pressure. USB charging port, no need any charging cable, convenient to use. Pedometer function, track your sports trail, record your distance, calories, steps, etc. A nice partner for sports. Available color. You can see more information and price. Please check the link here in description. Thanks for watching video. You can get more product review video. Please subscribe our channel.